What's up everyone, back with me Christy again. In this video, I'm going to make a cuisine considered as one of the most delicious food in the world. I'm so excited as this food also came from my country Indonesia. Some of you might already guess it, but I'm still going to say it. Yeah, I'm going to cook a spicy chicken rendang. So let's get started. First, we need to make the paste. The ingredients for the paste are garlic, fresh ginger, whole chili, curry powder, salt, and black pepper. First things first, we need to peel our garlic. The most efficient way to do that is bash it with your knife and pull off the skin just like this. Do that to all of your garlic cloves. Patience, patience. Next, we also need to skin our fresh ginger. To be honest, I don't know whether there is a hack for this one, so I'm going to do it the classic way. If anyone knows a more efficient method to skin ginger, please share it in the comment section down below. After the ginger peeled completely, we wanna cut it to a thinner piece. Now, all the ingredients are ready for mixing. In this video, I'm using a food processor, but of course, you can use whatever you have like a blender, or you can do it in a more traditional way with mortar and pestle, of course if you have one. If you are using a food processor or blender, just simply put everything in and start blitzing them. In the middle of the process, we want to make sure that this becomes a paste, so we need to add small amount of water and start blitzing again. Repeat this step until we got a paste with good consistency, like this, perhaps. For the chicken, we need chicken thigh, without question, and coconut milk. First, we need to cut our chicken thigh to a smaller piece. This is important as we increase the surface area of the chicken, leading to a better evenly cook and absorption of flavor from the paste and coconut milk, which eventually increase the richness in taste of our chicken. Moving to the next step, heat up the oil in your cooking pot. We are going to stir fry the paste until it produces good aroma. Then, we are going to put our nicely sliced chicken in and mix it with our stir-fried paste. Make sure to cover everything evenly. After our chicken started to change in color, put in the coconut milk and mix everything evenly. The next step is, we are going to reduce the mixture, which means we evaporate the water as much as possible to thicken the flavor. While we are doing this, make sure to stir periodically to prevent our lovely chicken rendang from burning. In this video, I reduce for 1.5 hours while stirring periodically. After we confirm the paste has already thickened to the desired consistency, for me, just like this, leave it to simmer for 2 hours so that all those flavors seep into the chicken even more. This is the result after simmering. I can't wait to give it a taste. So yeah, let's dig in. The flavor is indescribably delicious. So, that's it for today's video about my country cuisine chicken rendang. What do you think about it? I absolutely recommend you to try to make one as it's absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching, and as always, like video if you enjoy them, share it with your family if you find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye! So, this is a bonus tip from me. After I left the chicken down for one night, this is how it became. What happened here is, all those flavor is seep even more to the chicken, resulting in an even richer taste. So, you have to give it a try.